A 1970 Dodge Super Bee for sale, the last of its kind on the Coronet platform, screaming down the road with a fresh 440 engine overhaul. But the reality? Finding a genuine classic without mechanical headaches or inflated prices feels like an impossible quest in today's market. Watch through and I'll hand you the keys to this red-hot deal in Binghamton, New York, with every detail from mileage to mods, plus expert tips to avoid pitfalls and drive away victorious. After reviewing hundreds of Mopar listings across the country this year, I can tell you this one actually stands out for all the right reasons. It's listed at $47,500 with 112,800 miles on the clock. But here's what matters most. This Super Bee still has its original fender tag, proving it left the factory in that wild Plum Crazy Purple. Wait until you hear this. The engine is a completely rebuilt 440, bored 30 over with aluminum heads and less than 200 miles on the fresh build, all receipts included. The 727 transmission was rebuilt too and shifts solid, paired with new tires and wheels, fresh front disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, and almost all new steering and suspension components up front. But here's the part most buyers miss. The body is in amazing shape, with fresh red paint on the entire front half done in July 2025. And inside, you get a custom black interior with red inlays that really pop. It even comes with an 8 3/4 posi rear end with 2.76 gears ready for highway cruising or weekend fun. Now, the value part that everyone wants to know. Right now, in March 2026, the average clean 1970 Super Bee is sitting around $48,700. So this one is priced right where it should be, especially with that fresh 440 rebuild and all the new front-end work. The owner has a couple other projects going, so he's making garage space, and that's your opportunity right now. Everything is currently registered and insured, and get this, it even comes with a 2017 8x20-foot trailer with new tires and a winch already on it. Before you do anything though, here's my straight advice as someone who sees these deals every week. Always bring a private mechanic with you when you go look at it, because $100 spent now can save you thousands later. Never send money online to anyone. Go see the car in person, get it checked properly, then make the deal. Be smart out there. If this video was valuable to you and you want more clean, classic, and used car deals across the USA, do me a quick favor and hit subscribe right now. That way you'll catch every clean deal I bring you before they're gone. Drop a comment with the year muscle car you're hunting next, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.